Okay, you guys, so I'm really excited to be filming this video. This is going to be an unboxing of my Color Street Consultant kit. This is the only level of kit that they have right now. It's $129. So I did scratch out some of my information here and I want to share it with you guys. So I did already open this once just because I already had some ladies asking for some samples. So I know what's in it generally, but that's also because I watched other videos. I'm hitting my tripod. Okay. So here it is. I'm so excited. So the first thing that I'm seeing are these Color Street nail files, and these are awesome. I absolutely love these. I actually think that I'm going to order a whole bunch of these when I get a chance to do giveaways with and stuff. So it is one of the nicer nail files, and it's black. It has Color Street logo on it, and it comes in this case, which I absolutely love. And don't pay attention to my Color Streets that I have on right now. I've had these on for about 5 days, and I have been hand washing my dishes all week long, so they're in need of a change already. Next thing I see are these nail squares. I don't know what the technical name is for these, but I know my mom likes these a lot. So they have 4 sides. They have a file, a buff, a polish, and then a shine side. So these are super cute too. And then there is also 10 sets of Color Street nails in here, full sets of nails. Actually, I have 9 here because I have one. It came with these ones and I have them on already. So I have French manicure. I have, these are the name is in the back. So these are the Meet Me in Paris French tips. This one, which is kind of like a snake skin, is the Amazonia. I have this purplish blue glitter, which is the Mardi Gras. I have silver glitter, which is the Tinseltown. Also blue glitter. This is called Blue Lagoon. I have these awesome marble ones. I also have samples of these ones. These ones are really cute. This is called Crystal Cave Fitting. I have these awesome beach ones. These ones look really cool. These are called Fiji Shores. I have these ones. Sea Glass Shores. This one looks cool. And then I also have these ones with the cute lace inlays. I can't talk today, called Saloon Girl. So those are really cute. So those are only 9 of them. And I don't know how many samples it comes with. I didn't count them, but I know it comes with quite a bit. So in these ones, I got the gold French tip samples. And then I got I don't even remember what these, the name is on the back. The Crystal Cave ones. So they call these twosies because there's 2 in here. You can use them as accent nails, or you can almost get a whole hand out of them, but they're meant so that you can try them real quick and see if you like them. They actually suggest putting one of these on as an accent nail and then painting your other nails with regular polish, putting a clear coat over this, and then comparing how long it lasts. So I have this awesome maroon glitter called Rio Red. I have a bunch of those, and then I have this one, which is, these don't have a name on them. So I don't have all of them memorized by now. And then I have the silver and blue ones. These ones don't have a name on them either, but I think the blue ones might match the one that's in here already. No, it doesn't. I was thinking of that one, but it's different. Okay, so that's what the first layer has. So I'm really, really excited to try this. So I am more than happy to give samples away to anybody. If you are a consultant, I ask that, you guys are a little crooked, that you do not ask for any samples just because you already have these available to you. I will have a Google Doc linked below where you can request samples. So you take this little tray out, and then you have a welcome letter from the founder of Color Street. You have a how to apply, I don't know if you guys can see, how to apply sheet, which is awesome. And then you have host benefits. I am currently booking online parties in my Facebook group, which I will link below. Anybody who books an online party with me gets to choose either from what I have in stock, or I can add it onto your host benefits, a full set of nails from me just for booking. So that's what you get. And these are the host benefits for that. So if you have a party between $150 and $299, you get one half price item, a thank you gift, and then 10% host credits, and it just goes up. Typical parties I've seen run about $500, so you would get 15% off, 3 half price items plus free shipping, which free shipping is $3. So even if you have to pay shipping, it is still not bad. So yeah, you get some awesome stuff. And then these are the jump starts in Color Street. I am still within my first 35 days. So I'm really excited to try to hit my PV this month and to get that $50 product credit. I'm not going to really push recruiting. If it happens, it happens. But I really want to just meet the PV requirements and get some product credit. And I will be doing giveaways for each of these milestones if I do happen to meet them. So I'm super excited about that. And then this just explains a little bit more about the compensation plan and gives you a brief overview of what that looks like. So you can see that it is not very difficult to advance in Color Street. In order to get to the next level, which is senior stylist right here, you only need 2 qualified recruits underneath you and bonus qualifying for both of them and you as well. So bonus qualifying means that you have to sell $300 in that month, and it just continues on, and then you have to start meeting some group volume bonuses up here. So it's really awesome company. So next you get a little tote, and I'm not going to open it, but I will insert a clip right here of what that looks like. And you get a Road to Success book. So let's see if I can move you guys down a little bit. I got 2 of these for some reason, and I'm not sure why, but I got 2 of these Road to Success books, and it's really cool. It has a bunch of stuff that you can put in here. You also get some of these cuticle pushers. You get a whole bunch of nail files for nail bars if you have a nail bar party. And I'll also be giving these with my twosies. If you request a sample, I will be putting these in there with a cuticle pusher, and then of course with your twosie. Also get nail polish remover pads, which I will be sending you as well if you do request a sample. Got 2 boxes of those, and then you get the nail prep pads, which I will send you as well, and catalogs. So these were the, let me see, I believe these were the fall catalogs. No, the spring catalogs. And because I joined Color Street at the time that I did, they're actually sending me a whole nother pack of catalogs completely for free that covers the fall line, because our fall line just launched a couple of days ago. So they're actually sending me another 25 catalogs absolutely free. So that is just awesome of Color Street. I am just amazed that they even do that. A lot of direct sales businesses just make you order the catalogs. They tell you to order them bulk. So I'm really glad that they did that for us. And then it came with a whole bunch of order forms, which I don't really plan on using, but you never know, I might need them. So that is my Color Street starter kit. I am super excited to get started. If you guys have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. I did want to share how I plan on sending my samples and how I plan on distributing samples. I might do another video about this, but I already have some labels worked up on my computer that I'm going to be printing out today. I have these cello bags, I guess you would call them, and from my measurements, the catalog is going to fit in here. At least it should, pretty perfectly. And I plan on putting these in here, and then I plan on also putting a twosie in there as well with a nail file. So one of these, a nail file, and a cuticle pusher. And I plan on putting those, distributing these. I plan on carrying a few in my purse, maybe giving them out. I also plan on getting some smaller ones of these and putting just the samples with my business card in there with a nail file so that I can hand those out as well. This is one of those businesses that even if you do plan to keep a whole bunch of stock on hand because it's so small, you can still carry it with you. So it's awesome. I will be planning on doing another video about all of that later on. I will leave all of the links below so that you guys can get some more information, and I will see you guys in another video.